Hello, and welcome to our channel, where we provide you with valuable fitness tips to help you achieve your health and wellness goals. Today, we will be sharing with you some key strategies to enhance your workout routine and see results faster. Tips for a successful workout routine. First and foremost, it is essential to warm up properly before starting your workout. This will help prevent injuries and prepare your body for the intense physical activity ahead. Incorporating dynamic stretching exercises into your warm up can help improve flexibility and range of motion. Next, make sure to stay hydrated throughout your workout session. Drinking water before, during, and after your workout will help keep your energy levels up and prevent dehydration. Hydration is key to maximizing your performance and getting the most out of your exercise routine. In addition, focus on proper form and technique while performing each exercise. This will not only prevent injury, but ensure that you are targeting the right muscle groups effectively. Remember, quality over quantity is the key to seeing progress and achieving your fitness goals. Furthermore, mixing up your workout routine with different types of exercises can help prevent plateaus and keep your body challenged. Incorporating a variety of cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises will help improve overall fitness and prevent boredom. Lastly, don't forget to cool down and stretch after your workout to help your muscles recover and prevent stiffness. Incorporating static stretching exercises can help improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness after intense physical activity. In conclusion, following these fitness tips can help you optimize your workout routine and see results faster. Remember, consistency and dedication are key to achieving your health and wellness goals. Stay tuned for more valuable tips and advice on our channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.